You are going to love the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, luggage rack, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.